This is how AI can automate your customer service on Facebook Messenger. I'm first going to show you guys a demo of this in action and then walk you through how you can do this within Chatacom AI. Okay, so I've clicked Get Started and we start off with a custom response. Okay, let's start the conversation and ask, what's your pricing? And here, as we can see, it outputs all available plans and the pricing of each one, as well as a link to take them to the related question page. So let's try. Tell me more about the premium plan and see what it says. Okay, so here it outputs all the features of the plan and then a link to sign up to the plan. All right, now why don't we try a more of a complex question like how does the AI chatbot work? Okay, nice. And now let's do what channels can I connect a bot to? So here it outputs only a few examples of what channels there are, but provides links on finding more information. This is due to the character limit we have. You can adjust that to however you please. So now we're going to head over to the Chatacom AI website. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit and click on the plus icon next to the messenger icon. And once you connect that, you'll have access to the user interface. Now, once you're in the user interface, you'll see all your connected channels and you'll need to connect them through the Chatacom AI website. You can also see the analytics of your interactions as well as response times. And if you click on Messenger, for example, you can see there's a QR code that you can click on or just click on the bot link. Okay, now we're going to head over to Flows, and in Flows, you're going to click Free Templates and scroll down to the default Messenger flow. As you can see, it's a fairly simple flow within itself. Here's the start of the flow, a simple entrance message, and it goes through a couple actions and through some conditions. So, for example, when the user input has the words human in it, it'll trigger the human conversation trigger and you'll be alerted and the conversation will be transferred to you. Now, once it goes through the conditions, it'll go directly into the OpenAI box. Now, this is where the fun happens. So if we just click on this, we can select our message type from all various different channels. Here we can choose a generative text or advanced or templates, or you can even produce images. So here you can choose what model of ChatGPT you want. And so here is the business information prompt. This is your data stored for the bot to basically use when responding to user inputs, and this is the user message. So this is how you want the bot to respond, like a certain tone, for example. Here you can save responses to custom fields. These custom fields just temporarily hold the data that you want to save or trigger. Here's the GPT trigger so you can connect user to humans. And remember conversation, I'd usually go yes for this. Temperature and number of tokens is basically the token output of OpenAI ChatGPT. And these usually will sit around 200 and 0.2, but through Chatacom, you won't need to pay for the use of any tokens. Okay, and so now I'll show you what the inboxes look like for these chats. So here we can see all of our conversations on any different type of platform. So here you can see all the messages from the first demo. Here it shows the information of the customer as well as a couple actions. And if we just come down here to the bottom of the page and click View Executed Actions, it now shows us all the actions triggered within the flow of the chat. As you can see here, it shows tags added or removed as well as custom fields changing. So here we can see the user asked, what channels can I connect to? And the custom field labeled as OpenAI response sets to the message curated by AI. So if something goes wrong within your flow, you can come over to Flows and then click on Error Log, and here it will explain what went wrong at that certain time. All right, so now you know how to completely automate your Facebook interactions. You can pretty much duplicate this with other platforms such as Instagram, Google Business, SMS, WhatsApp, and much more. And you can do this right now with Chatacom AI, link in description. Thanks for watching.